In this video, we will cover how to set up the mining rig after unboxing, attach the screen, set up power, and go over the startup sequence. After opening your Affinity mining rig, there's a few steps that need to be taken before we can apply power to the system. First, we need to check the riser cards to make sure that everything is seated properly. As you can see, this is how it should look. No pins showing, everything is parallel. But it may come loose and look something like this, and you can see some of the gold contacts. To fix this, slide the boot back, drop the card down, realign, and firmly press up until everything is back in place. Snap the boot back in place, and we're good to go. After that, we can move on to the USB drive that is pre-configured with your information for Simple Mining OS. Install this into any of the USB drives underneath the Ethernet port. If you purchase the upgrade for the LCD, included in the box you will find these copper standoffs. Go ahead and screw these in hand tight into the 3 pre-drilled and tapped holes on the side of the frame. Once you have these hand tightened, flip the frame onto its back so we can apply the screen. When installing the screen, make sure that the HDMI and USB ports are facing the right hand side. Use the 3 Phillips head screws that are provided in the bag along with the Phillips head screwdriver to fasten the screen to the frame. Now that the frame has been attached, we can apply the cables. We'll start off with the HDMI cable and then the micro USB cable. This can be plugged into any of the 2 ports. Plug in the HDMI to the board as well as USB. Now we're ready to move on to the power. First thing we need to do is make sure that the power switches are in the off position. Then take the power cords that are provided, plugging in, always starting with the top and then working our way down to the bottom. The same goes for powering the boxes on. We'll start with the top and then power on the bottom. Your system will boot up and start running at this point, and you are set to go. For any other questions, give us a call at 770-486-2070 or visit us at affinitycomputersales.com.